Getting in some breaking news now. Thank you for that, Kritswin. Some breaking news coming in on Maulana Saad. Shravan Sen picking up some details, and we're breaking those details for our viewers this afternoon. Some headway on the investigation. There are more details emerging of some close associates of Maulana Saad who recorded their statements before the Enforcement Directorate. A few of them have been called in today for questioning. The Enforcement Directorate trying to understand how the Markaz operated before summoning Saad, who handled the funds, where and how the money was deposited. Last week, the Enforcement Directorate had registered a case under the Money Laundering Act. Shravan with the details. Shravan.
Well, in fact, Niranjan, this comes after the Enforcement Directorate has filed a PMLA case against Maulana Saad as well as Markaz. What we are being told right now is few of his associates, their statements have already been recorded and few more summons would be sent out. This before finally the Enforcement Directorate would be summoning Maulana Saad. The date is yet to be decided by the Enforcement Directorate. What the Enforcement Directorate is essentially doing right now is trying to understand the way Markaz essentially operates, because what they suspect is that the funding that has been received by Markaz has come in from dubious sources. In fact, there are also reports that have been submitted by the Delhi Police Crime Branch to the Enforcement Directorate suggesting that there was an unusual spike in the accounts of Maulana Saad and few other members of Markaz, and that is something that is still being probed at this point in time. Having said that, prima facie, the evidence that they have with them at this point in time is with regards to certain funding that have been received by Markaz, and that is the reason why accountants of Markaz have also been called in for questioning by the Enforcement Directorate. Not just the Enforcement Directorate, Niranjan, but also the Income Tax Department has already started a parallel probe. In the days to come, perhaps you would also expect a notice being sent out by the Income Tax Department to Maulana Saad to try and explain the source of funding and whether at all there is any possible tax evasion. These details have already been asked from Maulana Saad. In fact, he's been asked to submit the income tax returns for the last 5 years before the Delhi Police Crime Branch, which would then be handed over to the Income Tax Department as well as the Enforcement Directorate.
Right. Okay, stay with us. Some more details that we're picking up on Maulana Saad. There was also an audio tape that emerged yesterday. Now, where does the investigation stand? The foreign donation is under the lens now, but where does the investigation stand and where is Maulana Saad? I think that's the biggest question.
Well, in fact, there have been multiple communications that have come in from Maulana Saad's side. But having said that, no clarity as to when exactly would he be joining the probe. So far, there's been also no word really coming in from Delhi Police Crime Branch whether at all they're going to go ahead and arrest Maulana Saad, because that is inevitable given the fact that the kind of evidence that they have so far. But there is still no clarity as far as Delhi Police Crime Branch is concerned. With regards to the investigation that has been carried out so far, what we can tell our viewers at this point in time is that certainly the funding of Markaz has basically come under the scanner, especially given the fact that there have been certain spike in the bank accounts. And more importantly, what the Enforcement Directorate is also looking at is certain organizations who have funded Markaz. They're not providing the details at this point in time because it is at an early stage of investigation. But having said that, there are certain details that are emerging right now that few foreign organizations have been funding Markaz for almost over 2 decades now, and their funding too have now come under the scanner of the Enforcement Directorate.
Okay, Shravan, thank you for joining us with those inputs. We'll keep a close track on the developments in Delhi as the Enforcement Directorate calls in aides of Maulana Saad, the Markaz chief, keeping a close track. With the total number of cases across